Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I have a mini FashionNova haul, girl, and this is it right here. Yes, girl, I told you it was mini, girl, mini, and the products in here are very little. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then keep watching. Welcome back. So I know you want to know what I got in this bag, but girl, I'm ready to show you. Now, most of you know that face masks are just going to be a thing from this point moving forward. Many states are already making it a requirement to have on a face mask while out in public places, so you might as well go ahead and get a jump on it, because FashionNova.com has some cute ones right now available, though I will add right now that they are selling fast because I had to be placed on a notification list, girl, and as soon as I got that email I ran over to the site and bought all the ones that weren't in stock at first, and now I have them. But yep, took a little minute to get to me because they had so many orders. They had to process all the orders, but nonetheless I always have a pleasant experience when I use FashionNova.com. And no, this isn't a sponsored video. I bought these masks with my very own coins. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I can't wait to show you the ones that I got. I feel like I picked some cute ones for myself, and they have all types of styles, and they're relatively cheap and affordable. So I suggest go ahead and order some of these because yeah, I feel like we're going to need them moving forward, because some places are even making it a requirement to have them while traveling, whether you're traveling by plane or some types of public transportation. You will have to have on something on that mug, okay? Keeping them germs to yourself, okay? Because ain't nobody got time to be catching somebody else's germs. But these are the masks that I have. Looks like I just have 4 of them. These were the 4 that I felt reflect my style best. So yeah, that's why I picked these. But like I said, they have so many to choose from. So girl, you'll see something there that'll reflect your personality. But these are so me. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you each one, and I will be trying them on so that you can see how they look. So I mean, you might as well get cute ones since we got to wear them. Yes, you can get away with the box of the disposable ones. I keep some disposable ones in the car as well. I feel like those are very practical too, because you can wear those, throw them away, get yourself a new one. Now with these are washable, so you can reuse them, keep them washed, keep them clean, girl, keep them clean. So of course I opted for the all black one, okay? Everybody needs an all black face mask. Make sure this one's #1 on your list, okay? Get that black one, okay? And these are one size fit all, so you should be able to wear it. But if it may be a little too big or something, you can just like twist the loop. That gives you a little more resistance there, so it'll fit better, okay? So that's the black one. And I got this leopard print one. This was the one I was most excited for. Everybody knows I love animal print. I had to have this one. I had to have this one for sure. Now each one of the styles that I have, these were only $4.99. Look at that one, okay? And they all have this black, they have the black trimming around them, and the back of the fabric is white. I don't know, let me see. Lining on back. So if you're a lipstick wearer, honey, you're gonna get lipstick all on the back of these when you're wearing your mask. So that's gonna be the case with me, because I am gonna try these on. I'm wearing a nude lipstick today, but I'm gonna go ahead and try them on for you. And I have this camo one. And again, if I didn't already say, these were $4.99 each. Chose the same style for each different print, and this is the camo. I just thought this one was cute, and this is like unisex. This one was in the male section as well as the girl section, okay? And then next I got the pink camo, of course. I had to go with the pink camo. Y'all know I love some pink. It's like a pinky mauve color. Really cute. All right. So let's go ahead and get them tried on. Alright guys, that concludes my FashionNova face mask try on haul. Let me know what you think of these masks. Be sure to get over to the site and grab a few of these because girl, they are selling fast, girl. Selling super duper fast. Let me know down below in the comments which was your favorite from my mask haul. I got to say that I love the camo ones and my animal print. I love these. These are my favorite, but if I had to pick one, of course the animal print is my absolute favorite one. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. Bye.